Hello, dear. Let's have a look as to how your admirer S. Rahman is speaking on character building abilities. My dear viewers, I am going to discuss about 12 different qualities that we need to grow up. Our personality bigger than us. Then how we can follow these special qualities? You should heed to my words, you should adhere, and if you like to follow, you can practice this in your personal life. Here the question: what are the qualities that will never let you down? What are the qualities that will never let you down or face any downfall? I am going to have a talk on this topic. I am S. Rahman and I have been closely attached sentimentally with all my viewers. And with that expectation that you should pay heed to my words, I am talking on. The first quality that I do believe to grow your personality bigger than you, it is self-reliance in doing or taking any new scheme. Self-reliance. If you have self-reliance in you, if you have that certain feeling, stamina, determination, that your quality, that you are self-reliant person, that self-reliance in taking any new scheme or doing any new thing will help you to grow up. That's why you have to grow your self-reliance more than anything else. If you are not very much concerned about growing your self-reliance, you will feel more and more confused and being scared of taking any new thing. But if you have self-reliance, you will find a way out of facing all obstacles. The second important aspect is self-faith, that you are reasonably correct. You must have the faith in you that whatever the decision you have taken, whatever resolution you have taken, that is reasonably correct. And you are not going to waver from your decision. This is the second important aspect. And if you have faith in you that whatever I am going to do and whatever I am going to take my new scheme is having no faults, having no flaws, having no loopholes, having no weaknesses. If you have that certain self-faith, that whatever I am going to do, it will surely be successful, then that faith will take you upwards. It will never let you down. Third important aspect of your quality, that is devoid of egoism or haughtiness. You have to deal with a lot of people in your life. You have to face hundreds of them in different spheres, in different phases of your life. That's why first and foremost important thing is that you must be devoid of any egoistic feeling or any egoism, and you must be devoid of any haughtiness. You must be very mild in character, mild in nature, mild your dealing, and mild in interacting with your near ones, dear ones, and whatever the people are coming in your contact. Then if you become mild, if you very much gentle, if you are having that certain capability of talking with people in a very generous manner, that will surely take you towards further height, because you have seen in different sphere the people, those who have risen to the great height in politics, in business, in trade, in entrepreneurship, These people are well spoken. They are well versed. They speak with others with a very gentle tone. They never expose their haughtiness in their dealings. That's why devoid of egoism or devoid of haughtiness is the third important characteristic feature of a very strongly determined person. Fourth important aspect, the quality of being tenacious and meticulous in doing work. Your quality of being tenacious and meticulous in doing things will help you to keep on doing. You will never give up on the way. You will never do the thing half digested manner. Rather, you will do with full determination, with full that certain confidence that whatever you are going to do, you are going to do in a meticulous manner. You will leave no stone unturned, means you will turn every stone, whatever will require to fulfill your scheme. Fifth important aspect of your character that will never let you down, that is strong vision about future course of action. You must have a strong vision about your future course of action. You must not get troubled by any sort of problem that may arise before you. But if you have your vision clear, if you make your vision clear, if you make up your mind, that will help you to move forward, and your future course of action will surely be a successful one. You will reach to that certain great height. Then sixth important aspect that will never let you down, that is self-confidence and true strength. Self-confidence and true mental strength. If you are having self-confidence, if you are having true mental strength, both the things will help you to keep on working harder, keep on doing all sort of things that you dreamt to achieve in your life. This is the sixth important aspect. Next, seventh number important feature is unwavering spirit to fight back against all odds. Unwavering spirit to fight back against all odds. If you are having that unwavering spirit, that you will fight against all adverse situations, all odds, then none can let you down. God helps those people, those who help themselves. That's why it is you who will surely show your unwavering spirit to fight back against all odd situation, against all adverse situation. Then eighth important aspect, that the quality of being logical in dealing with others. You must be very logical. What you are saying, what you are giving your reason, it must be logical. Don't get very much stubborn. Don't get insolent in just dealing with people. If you find that your statements are not at all logical, are not at all feasible, are not at all beneficial for your personal development, then give up. Just listen to others and consume the ideas of others and start a new thing from your side. Don't get carried away by people's word, but you should consume their ideas and just evolve some new ideas for your personality development. Then ninth important aspect is quality of perseverance in taking all sort of hardships. You know that no great thing can be achieved without giving your hard labor. That's why if you are afraid of giving hard labor, you cannot go upwards. You have to give your 100% abilities. You have to use your 100% time to just build up your mental strength as well as to build up your base of success by beginning a new thing with a strong determination and with that certain resolution that you will persevere. You must use your perseverance. Then next important, the 10th important aspect, that you must be devoid of fake pride, false pride. You must be devoid of fake pride or false pride, and must be free from all haughtiness or bad temper. Your temperament must be very sweet. That's why give up your false pride of you are the most genius or you are the most commanding. Give up all this. Just believe it that God has created so many people, so many different creatures. God has created human being as the most superb one, and everyone has his or her own personal trait. And you cannot prototype any person. That's why just utilize your own ability and don't try to supersede others by showing your false superiority. That's why give up your false pride or whatever the bad temperament that you carry. Bad temperament always create all sort of obstacles and trouble in dealing with other people. The 11th important aspect, it is faith in God. You must have the faith in God, because without the faith in religion, that is true religion, religion of humanity, religion of truthfulness, religion of having good faith in God, and religion of having that fear of that fall because of your own false activities or wrong activities. If you don't have that fear, then you will always fall down. That's why get little bit afraid also of God's punishment, God's wrath. That's why believe in God and believe in your own goodness. And utilize your own goodness in all affairs. Next important aspect, that is 12th important aspect, divide up anger to groom your balanced personality. As you have to groom your balanced personality, that's why you have to overcome your anger. Because anger makes a person temporarily mad. That when you are angry, when you are not very logical, then you can be called by people as a half-minded or mad one. Besides that, being excessively angry can just reduce your mental strength as well. And those who are excessively emotional, they may be very sincere, may be very hard working, but they are not very genius. They are not very intelligent. That's why to be intelligent, you have to overcome your that certain anger as well. And lastly, I would like to suggest you that grow your contentment in order to have peace of mind, have all sort of joys in living a life of a human being. You grow your that certain contentment, because if you feel always discontent, if you feel always troubled with the life that you have got, then you will be always haunted by that certain feeling of failure. That's why be contented what you have achieved in your life, and this certain age of your academic years, you can use that one up to the optimum benefit, and just be contented. If you are contented, you will surely have a peaceful life, and none will be able to let you down. I expect you that you surely follow my words as a well-wisher, as a teacher. I had been a teacher in a very reputed school in Bhagalpur in Bihar, and from my practical experiences, what I have gained, I always share with you. If you like my ideas, if you feel that my ideas can be helpful for you, then you can share with others and subscribe my ideas, these videos, so that my ideas can reach to your mind in due course more when I will communicate you. Thank you all. Have a nice time, and be great, be genius, be successful. Thank you.